So welcome back. We're going to continue on with some percent war problems. Again, these are very special. These are considered percent of increase, percent of decrease. So the wording is just a little bit different. So let's look at this example. So a Blu-ray player at Andre's was on sale for $245. The original price was $350. What was the percent of decrease in price? So again, we want to kind of identify what we're looking for. So what does the problem ask us to do? It looks like it asks us to do is it really wants us to find that percent of decrease. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're trying to find. Now, what was given was it was on sale for $245, and the original price was at $350. So I'll go through there and search for that information. It looks like I have enough information to solve this problem. So again, we recognize that it does fit this model. And since this is a decrease problem, what I'm looking for is the amount to decrease. And again, the decrease is basically the change in price. So if it was $350 and it went down to $245, if I subtract those two numbers, that will tell me the actual decrease in the price, the change in price. So it looks like that would be $105. So $105 would be the change in price. So that's going to be my amount of decrease. The other thing we have to pick up on is the original price. That was also given to us. So again, what was given, the original price was $350. Again, back to what we're trying to find. We're trying to find the percent of decrease. So we're looking for that percent. And since we don't know that, we can use the letter X to represent that. So for our setup, the percent goes over 100, so X goes over the 100. And then in this case, we're talking about the amount of decrease. That goes to be 105. And the original amount was then the 350. So there's our setup. Now to solve it, we want to cross multiply. 350 times x is just 350x. Really can't do that yet. And then 100 times 105, and again, since that's a whole number, just stick on two zeros. So it's going to be 105 and two zeros. So 10,500. And again, since this is multiplication, this is telling me to solve it, I can use division to work backwards. So 10,500 divided by 350 is going to give me my value of x. So again, when I see multiplication, if I go this direction, I'm allowed to divide to find the missing piece there. Again, I'm going to use my calculator to calculate this. So 10,500 divided by 350, that's going to give me 30. So again, what I'm looking for was the percent decrease, so I have to write that then as it's a 30% decrease. And you've been to sales, 30% off sounds like a fair discount. That may be a decent buy. So again, that answer does sound reasonable. Stay tuned.